Welcome to this meditation on embracing the limitless potential of your mind. Throughout this meditation, I will guide you with prompts. These are just suggestions, so do what makes you feel comfortable. Now find a comfortable seated position on the floor, on your bed, or on a chair. You can sit with your feet flat on the floor, feeling grounded to the earth, or fold your legs. Allow your body to relax and settle into this space. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing the air to fill your body and release. Now imagine a moment that your mind is a vast, open sky. It's free from boundaries, where every thought and possibility can soar. Our minds often get constrained by limiting beliefs and fears. But by tapping into the infinite nature of our consciousness, we can unlock creativity, wisdom, and boundless potential. Today, we'll explore this expansive state and how it can transform our thinking and our lives. Breathe. Let's see how we feel with a body scan. I want you to look internally and begin by bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Slowly scan down through your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Release any tension you may find. Now move down through your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders soften and drop away from your ears. Continue down through your arms, hands, chest, and back. Notice any tightness and let it go. Scan down through your abdomen, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Allow each part of your body to relax and sink deeper into the support beneath you. You are grounded. Breathe. Now we're going to focus on deep breathing. We'll inhale through our nose for the count of 4. We'll hold the breath for a count of 4 and exhale through our mouth for the count of 6. Let's begin. Take a deep inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 2, 3, 4. Hold it for a count of 4. 2, 3, 4. And exhale for a count of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now continue these breaths at your own pace. With each exhale, feel yourself releasing any tension or stress. Notice your jaw. Often we hold tension here without realizing it. Let your jaw unclench and relax. You can allow your mouth to hang open slightly if that feels comfortable. And release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Relax and breathe. Now begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up for you today. I want you to carry this sense of limitless potential with you as you move on throughout your day. Namaste.